Hey everyone, I'm Allee-Sutton. If it is your first time here, welcome. And if you are one of our older friends, well then welcome back. I am so glad you are here. Obviously, if you clicked into today's video, you know that we are talking about the Spring 2025 Fab Fit Fun box. I can hardly believe that it is 2025 and we are already talking about spring, but here we are. So on today's video, we're going to have three parts. First, I'm going to give a brief description if you are new or considering joining FabFitFun. We're going to do an overview of the program, what it is and how it works. I do have more in detail overviews in some of my other videos if you want to check those out. We're going to do this one kind of quick today, but not to worry, I've got plenty of information on that in other videos. Our second part is going to be unboxing and going through what I got in the Spring 2025 box. And then the last segment I thought we would add in this video is reviewing what items I really liked and what I used the most from the Winter 2024 box. Let's get started. Curious about what FabFitFun is and how it works? Here's what you need to know. FabFitFun is a popular seasonal subscription box that delivers a curated selection of full-size lifestyle products to your door 4 times a year. Each box typically includes a mix of beauty, wellness, fashion, and fitness items handpicked to align with the theme of the season. Here's a breakdown of how it works and why people find it valuable. First, you sign up for either a seasonal or annual membership. If you sign up for a seasonal membership, you pay per box, while with an annual membership, you get a slight discount and more customization. For the customization component, FabFitFun allows subscribers to customize some of the products in their boxes, so you get a say in what you receive. Annual members typically have more options for customization compared to seasonal members. Then there's the curated boxes themselves. Each box contains 6 to 8 products with a retail value often exceeding $200, though the cost per box is around $50. Member perks. Once you join FabFitFun, members get access to exclusive discounts on add-ons and early access to sales on other products. The add-ons are additional discounted items you can choose to include in your box or purchase separately. The other thing that I really love about this is it's a nice community that you get to join. You get good value for your money. The ease of customization, the way that you can find new brands and try them at a low risk kind of scenario. It's convenient and you get to try so many new and exciting things. I hope that was helpful if you're curious about FabFitFun, but please, if you have more questions, leave them in the comments down below. Now let's get into our box. I love that they theme the box to the season. You see this one's pink, green, floral. It makes me so excited for spring and sunny days ahead. Like I mentioned, one of the big benefits of FabFitFun is getting to try these really great items at a discounted price. So I think the value of this box that you pay for is around $50. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but the value of the items I received in this box, I researched and added up, would be a total of $293 before tax. So around $300, think of the savings. And then it's a really low risk way to get to try items you might have had your eye on or something completely new without paying full price. I got some things that I'm really excited about. I actually got lucky and I think I got everything I picked. So let's get into it. I am a massive fragrance lover. So when I saw that this was available as an option, I immediately registered it as one of my preferences. This is the Maison Louis Marie Perfume Oil No. 4. This by itself has a $65 value. So if you were to buy this out on your own, you would have already spent $15 more than getting it in a FabFitFun box. And we got all these other things with it. That's just, the savings really get me excited. So what do we need to know about this fragrance? It says, we love a perfume oil that you can roll on anytime, any day. Apply this Maison Louis Marie must-have to pulse points like the neck, chest, and wrist to smell fresh all day. With fragrance notes of sandalwood, cedarwood, cinnamon, and nutmeg, this vegan perfume boasts a warm, elevated scent that will surely become your new fave. Now, just as a note, this is only available to FabFitFun customers in the USA and Canada. It's beautiful. I love the box and look at the presentation. You take that lid off and it's perfectly cushioned in there. This is 0.5 fluid ounces. It honestly looks a little small, but we'll see how long it lasts. I have tried this on and it's very wood forward. It's a little strong for my taste, but if that matches your personal preference, I really think you're gonna love this. It still is really beautiful. In the dry down, it becomes a little bit more mellow. I like it, and I love a roller ball. Something about that just seems more approachable, easy. This had serious staying power, projection, and longevity and wear. So I was really impressed by that. And again, first item straight out of the gate, we've already saved ourselves serious money. And this is something I'll always say about FabFitFun. If I'm being perfectly honest with you guys, I love fragrance and I have so many that I love so much more. So a lot of times with FabFitFun, what I do is I'll set something like this aside and gift it to somebody. I'll give it to somebody who I know is a real woody fragrance lover, or give it to one of my sisters or friends. It's a really good way to shop. So just something to consider. I do also love that they try to think about what kind of products you're going to be using as we come into spring. So when I saw that they had the Desi Skin Overnight Moisture Mask, I also was really hoping that I would get it. This has a $48 value. It's a mix of algae and essential amino acids along with vitamin C and B12 that combine together in this powerful mask that works to smooth, tighten, and hydrate while you sleep. Your day is sure to start off on the right foot with plumper looking, radiant skin. A $48 value. So again, we're almost at the value of the box. That really and truly impresses me. I believe this is from Desi Perkins, who I loved Desi. I've not kept up with her as much lately. I need to go check out what she's doing on her channel, but I've tried this out. I tried this out before the video. It feels incredible. I think that when I think about spring and coming into the season, I do think about being outside more and being glowy and kind of coming out of winter and needing to moisturize and take care of my skin a little bit more. The timing of this is perfect. The bottle is beautiful and it really does work well. It didn't break me out. It felt really nice and really moisturizing. I'll continue to use this, and then hopefully whenever we get our next box, we can have an update like we will today, so I can give you some more information about the product as a longtime user. If you have used any of this stuff that I'm gonna talk about today, let me know in the comments down below. Let us all know. You know, the more we all know, the better. So share your experience and opinion kindly in the comments down below. To kind of piggyback onto the skincare trend, I also got this. This is the Volition 2-piece facial fitness kit, an eye depuffer and face sculptor. This dynamic depuffing duo made from antibacterial hygienic material makes sure you get the most out of your skincare by optimizing the absorption of creams and serums. Plus, they help sculpt and depuff the skin, turning your home into a spa escape. The thoughtfully designed scoop handle on the Sculptor is a convenient and hygienic way to scoop out your moisturizers and masks from their jars. Pro tip, chill them in the fridge before use to boost circulation and reinvigorate tired skin. This set has a $40 value and I have been using these. I did take their advice and put them in the fridge and use them, and they felt incredible. I thought this was really nice to pair with our overnight mask. I think that at the end of the day, doing something like this for yourself as a treat is such a beautiful way to wind down. And I actually also really love the Laneige overnight mask. Now that is in a pot, and I think this is what they're talking about right here. This scoop is a more hygienic way to just dip in and get the product rather than using your hands or fingers. So that's something I love to do actually morning and night. I have Hashimoto's, and with Hashimoto's you get a lot of facial swelling, and things like this have been such a tremendous help to me. These have felt incredible when I've used them, and I have noticed a difference immediately after. I think I can see less puffiness right here a lot in my jaw area and definitely in my under eye. Even if I don't know if it has long-term effects or not, but it feels incredible in the moment. It just helps me to depuff before I run out the door in the morning. Really, really nice. Absolutely love. Our next item was the cheapest item that we got in our box, and it is this, the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in the color beige. Get ready with me to look sun-kissed and glowy all spring long. The natural matte finish of this cream bronzer, along with its hydrating ingredients like apricot oil and mango butter, make this your new go-to for an enviable bronze glow. So this has a $24 value, which honestly to me is kind of amazing. I think makeup, everything's so expensive now, but makeup really can get pricey. If you guys have any experience with Milk brand, let us know in the comments down below. I chose this, like I said, I think I got all my selections just because I want to try different things. I want to see what I like. I want to see how this applies and how it lasts and how my skin reacts to it. And this was a really low risk way for me to get to try it, because if I bought this and spent $24 on it and then didn't like it, I would obviously be upset. Now, I have used this just to do a swatch for you guys, and it feels and looks really great. It has amazing payout. So far, I've really enjoyed it. I think it's a great shade. It's easy to use. It seems to be skin friendly. This one here, you can see, even though it's small, it does have a twist on the bottom, so you can twist it up. I'll let you guys know when I use it if I have, you know, how long it takes to use it, how it lasts, how it plays with other makeup. I'll give you an update next time I see you all. But in the meantime, if anybody has any experience with Milk, please let me know. I'm really curious. I had a good first impression and I'm eager to see how it goes from here. I was so excited to get this. This is the Living Proof Clarifying Detox Shampoo. Spring clean your hair care routine by adding this detox to your regimen. This shampoo sweeps away product buildup and excess oil while delivering everything your hair needs to stay cleansed and clean. Unlike other clarifying shampoos, Living Proofs is a non-stripping formula that doesn't overcompensate with conditioning agents. Just use this shampoo weekly in place of your regular shampoo and your locks will thank you. This is a $36 value. I absolutely love Living Proof as a brand. I've had a really positive experience with their other products. However, I have not tried their clarifying shampoo. I do use a clarifying shampoo regularly at work. I will go, and different hairstylists will use a lot of kind of intense products for my hair on work. My hair never wants to hold a style, so I end up with lots of creams and hairsprays and waxes and things of that nature just to make sure that it stays in place for the day. And having a clarifying shampoo has been really important for me, just to make sure that I keep my hair healthy and keep it clean. I've been using the Kristen S clarifying shampoo and I've really liked it. This seemed like a step up. I am so excited. It smells like all Living Proof products. Absolutely amazing. This smells unbelievable. And I like that this one sets itself aside from its competitors by not being so caustic. I guess it's a non-stripping formula, so it's not going to be as hard on your hair, but it's still going to give you that really nice kind of clean feeling. The clarifying agent's going to be really great to help detox your hair. Going into spring, we're going to get our best skin and hair. Our makeup's going to be glowing. We're going to be depuffed. We're going to smell good. And then we just have one item left. So what else are we going to be this spring? Let's find out. Let's finish things off with our most expensive item in the box. This Love AJ by Alyssa Lynch, the prong set tennis necklace in silver. This 18-inch necklace is perfect for layering, but eye-catching enough to wear as a standalone piece. Sparkle your way through spring with these beautiful CZ stones. You guys, this has an $80 value. Woo, expensive, but beautiful. It came packaged in this really nice little cloth that I'll keep it in just to maintain, because look how beautiful it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. I have found, like with these earrings that I'm wearing, for instance, they're not extremely valuable, but I find that when I keep them in their original little dust cloth, they seem to stay nicer for longer. This is the third time I've bought these earrings and they kept kind of decaying in the past. This time I kept them in their bag and they've really stayed nicely. I've done the same thing with my linear pieces and now my Uncommon James pieces. So I'm going to keep a hold of this. I'm going to wear this as much as I can and let's see how it lasts and wears. It's beautiful. It really feels high quality. And of course, going into spring, we're not going to be in our turtlenecks as much. We're going to have our décolletage out, and of course we're going to have them all dressed up thanks to Fab Fit Fun. Absolutely beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. I love it. I think we did really well, don't you guys? Which are you most excited about? I don't know what I'm most excited about. I can hardly pick because it's all so exciting. That's the great thing about Fab Fit Fun and why I think it makes such a great gift. If you're thinking about getting something for somebody for Valentine's Day, consider Fab Fit Fun. It is you know, relatively affordable, and it's a gift that somebody can enjoy throughout the entire year. And I think we all really need something to look forward to. And this is just a small happiness that comes in the mail 4 times a year that I've really enjoyed. And I do have a discount code, which helps you save even more money on what I feel is already a really great, valuable service. So use the discount code, share it with your friends and family. Helps me out, helps you out. So thank you. Now let's review what we liked from the winter box and what we didn't. I'm going to be referencing my notes here that I kept for you all because I think that it's important after you get these things to experience them for a while before you fully review them. So let's kick things off. Last time I got the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. I've used it. I love it. It has been fantastic. It's made a noticeable difference in my hair. I just went and got my hair redone. You can see I'm not looking so rooty, and my hairstylist, Matt Smith, said, your hair feels a lot better. Now, I told him I was really taking good care of it with my Zenagen, and I've been doing the Olaplex, the Redken, and this is, I really truly feel like it's made a difference. It smells great and it's lasted a long time for me. I still have a ton left. So I'm giving the Olaplex from the winter box 2 big thumbs up. Next up, the iconic London eye palette. If you missed it, we did a whole video using it after we reviewed our last box. It's incredible. I loved it. I did a holiday look with it that I ended up filming a fragrance review video in, and I got hundreds of messages about that makeup look and how I recreated it. And I've told so many people it's that iconic London eyeshadow face palette. It's really great. If you want to watch the whole video where I use it and talk about it, I'll try and link it here if I don't get lazy and I can remember, fingers crossed. I also got the little ornament with the beauty blenders, the beauty blender cleaner and the sponges. Those have been great. They're really good. They feel really extra high quality. The ones that they put in there, they're like a little plusher, thicker, fuller. They seem to have stood up to application better than the ones I've just been getting off of Amazon. The cleaner works really well. It wasn't too aggressive. It seems to be able to really effectively clean the beauty blenders and the sponges without damaging them. So that I really liked. The Perricone MD Under Eye Cream. Phenomenal. It was, I think, the most expensive thing in the last box, but it was really good. I've noticed a big difference whenever I use it. The only thing that I will say, if you're gonna use it in the morning, make sure you do it really early because it's so creamy that whenever I applied my makeup, it would pill. So I try to just use it at night now because it's so expensive. I don't want to waste it. I thought it was really great. The Malin Goats Acne Overnight treatment I've used, and it's not like a magic bullet for acne, but it did make a noticeable difference. I didn't wake up with acne gone. I don't think there's anything that does that, but I definitely noticed it cut down on the redness and swelling, which was super helpful. I'll continue to use it and let you all know how it goes. Last but certainly not least, the Riddle perfume. I love it. It smells really great. It's sitting on my vanity now. I've been wearing it this week. It's really just soft and beautiful, subtle, skin close, but lasts. 10 out of 10. So I think we did really well with the winter box. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.